Hi, my name is Mary, and I want to become a mechanical engineer. As a person, I am very bright and cheery and happy, um, but I grew up with an alcoholic mother. My strongest memory would have to be like my mother was never around. My parents got divorced when I was like about in third grade, and I got split custody. So half my time I was with my dad, half the time I was with my mom. And with my mom, she was really never there. I just remember me being by myself and ordering takeout food. I think when my mom was drinking, she was very seclusive when she did it. Like she would go downstairs to her room and like lock the door and not come up for hours. When she wasn't drinking or when I would see her, um, she was nice and somewhat engaging, but most of the time she was off by herself. Um, for me, I learned how to be by myself and kind of self-sustain, mostly just doing takeout and walking to school and coming back from school. For my sister, she acted like there was nothing wrong, and after college she came to live with us. So I guess for me in the future, like as a mom, I want to be more engaging with my kids and spend more time with them than what she did. Um, my mom's side of the family, I think they knew she was an alcoholic, but they never really talked about it. My mom was going through the 12-step program, but I think she drank secretly while doing it. My mom's side of the family, they just ignored it. And my mom was like the fun aunt and was very engaging with all the other cousins, or when there's family around, she was engaging with me. But when we're alone, like she wasn't really there. But as in doing anything, they just kind of ignored it. Um, I didn't start drinking until I was 21, do the legal way. But I don't find it, I make sure I don't use it as a crutch. Like, I make sure it's not a way to like drown my problems, or if I'm having a hard time, I don't go drinking. Um, it's really more, I barely drink. Sometimes I do it with friends who are out at a restaurant, but other than that, I really limit myself, and I don't want it to be a crutch in my life or control my life as it has my mom's. My dad told me when I was really young um, that my mom was an alcoholic or had an addiction problem, and he always said that it's genetic and I'm at risk for being an alcoholic. So he told me not to drink at all. Um, through my teenage years and up until I was 21, I followed that advice, and even now, like it's not something I need. It doesn't control me. I don't think I have any addiction problem. Um, I don't know, I think when I was younger, uh, I was depressed a bit, but I've learned to actually talk to others and kind of make a list of like the good and bad, or go outside and be in the sun. I kind of overcome that, but some days like you can allow yourself to be sad for a day and then like wash your hands of it and go on with your life. But any other addictions, like I don't think so. I'm not an alcoholic today because I want more for my life. I want to be able to remember things, have social connections with my family and friends. Uh, I want to go out and explore the world. My advice would be to talk to some friends, maybe even friends' parents, have them kind of understand what your home is like. So if you need to go over and sleep over, you have someone who already knows your situation. Or if you have family close by, definitely talk to your family and share your concerns, because maybe they don't realize how much it affects other people's lives or how bad the problem is. Because a lot of people can fake it for a time, and then when you're alone back into the family situation, they go back to their true selves. So don't be afraid to talk to your family, talk to close friends, maybe even a neighbor, but reach out and make sure you're not alone in it.